We'll guide you through how to secure your Google Drive effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Drive on a web browser. To enhance the security, you need to enable two-step verification on your Google account. Go to the Google account settings by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner and selecting Manage your Google account. In the navigation panel, click on Security. Scroll down to find Signing in to Google and click on Two-Step Verification. Follow the prompts to add an extra layer of security by linking your phone or using an authenticator app. Once that's set up, return to Google Drive. You can also manage individual file permissions to ensure only the right people have access. Right-click on any file or folder and select Share. Here, you can see who has access and adjust their permissions by clicking on the drop-down next to each person's name. To increase security further, consider using viewer or commenter roles instead of editor for shared files unless editing is necessary. For sensitive documents, you might want to restrict downloading, printing, and copying. You can do this by clicking on the settings icon in the sharing window and checking Disable options to download, print, and copy for commenters and viewers. Additionally, regularly review the Shared with Me section to check for any unauthorized files or users and remove access if needed. Implementing these measures will significantly boost the security of your files stored on Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.